Hello everyone, I am Ashwini Disle, a student of the Brisang Institute, batch 22. Today I will discuss on a technical topic that is rare drug and orphan drug pharmacovigilance. Pharmacovigilance is the science and activities related to the detecting, assessing, understanding, and preventing adverse effect or any other drug related problem when it comes to rare and orphan drug which are used to treat uncommon disease. Pharmacovigilance takes on a unique role due to limited data on their safety and efficacy. Ensuring their drugs are safe and effective requires specialization pharmacovigilance strategies. Understanding rare and orphan drugs. Rare disease affect a small percentage of the population, generally fewer than 1 to 2,000 people in the European Union and fewer than 2 lakhs people in the United States. Developing drugs for this disease is challenging because of the limited number of patients, high research cost, and lower commercial returns. To encourage development, these drugs, term orphan drugs, often receive regulatory incentives like tax credits, market exclusivity, and expedited approval processes. The need for pharmacovigilance in rare disease. Rare diseases are frequently severe, life-threatening, and may have few or no existing treatment. Since clinical trial for rare disease treatment typically involve fewer participant, safety and efficacy data before approval are limited. Once approved, these drugs enter uh, broader patient population with varying health conditions, ages, and genetic backgrounds, which can reveal previously undetected adverse effects. Therefore, robust pharmacovigilance is crucial to monitor safety and detect rare side effects. Challenges in pharmacovigilance for rare and orphan drug. Limited patient population. Due to the small number of patients, detecting adverse event or rare side effect post-marketing is challenging. Fewer patients mean less data for detecting patterns or trends. Data scarcity. Limited clinical trial data on rare disease makes it hard to establish a robust safety profile before market release. Additionally, rare disease patients often have complex medical histories, which can compliance the identification of drug-related adverse effect. Heterogeneous patient profiles. Rare disease patient can vary widely in terms of demographics, disease progression, and treatment response, making it difficult to generalize safety findings. High cost of follow-up studies. Conducting post-marketing studies like phase 4 trials for rare drugs can be expensive and difficult due to the sparse patient population. Pharmacovigilance strategy for rare and orphan drugs. Given these challenges, pharmacovigilance for rare and orphan drugs must adapt by using innovative and flexible approaches. Real world evidence collection. Leveraging data from patient registries, electronic health records, and insurance claims can provide insights into real world uses and outcomes. Enhance patient and healthcare provider reporting. Encouraging healthcare provider and patients to report adverse event is essential. Special programs, patient registries, and education on reporting can help gather more safety data. Risk management plan. Regulatory agency often require RMPs to identify and mitigate risk. RMPs for orphan drugs may include regular monitoring, patient education, and strategies to minimize potential adverse effect. Um, Adaptive study design. Adaptive studies adjust based on interim result, allowing for flexible approaches that can maximize the limited data available in rare disease research. In conclusion, pharmacovigilance for rare and orphan drug is essential to safeguard patient safety while enabling access to potential life-saving therapies. This is all about rare and orphan drug pharmacovigilance. Thank you.